Hello folks, I had a request from a person to show more of my cat. He's just playing on his little cat tree right now. Here's the cat tree. And we're playing with his little mouse. He's got a little bit of energy today, so that's good. The sun's shining. Everything's kind of coming back to life. He really likes being, whoa, right up on top. I don't know if he likes the string more or the mouse. The banana is still the favorite. I tied a shoestring to it. It's just the right size for... He's kind of lazy playing right now. He doesn't really want to put too much effort into it. He can be so cuddly and so crazy. But he does have a good time. But when he wants me to wake up and play, he bites my nose very gently in the morning and wakes me up. Says, come on, let's play. Get me some breakfast and then let's have some playtime. So, say hi, Shadow. So I just thought I'd share it. My active little cat. And we'll see you soon. Bye for now.